The human brain, a 3-pound universe, a marvel of nature. It orchestrates our every thought, action, and emotion. This intricate network of billions of neurons. The human brain, a 3-pound universe, a marvel of nature. It orchestrates our every thought, action, and emotion. This intricate network of billions of neurons fires constantly, sending signals throughout our body. It is the control center of our being, governing everything from our heartbeat to our dreams. The brain is a delicate organ protected within the bony skull. It is nourished by a constant supply of blood, delivering oxygen and vital nutrients. This remarkable organ is a testament to the power of evolution, allowing us to learn, love, and experience the world around us. Yet, even in this masterpiece of nature, things can go wrong. Sometimes a single cell, deep within this complex structure, can embark on a perilous journey, transforming from a loyal servant into a dangerous rebel. Imagine a single cell, once a loyal citizen of the brain, replicating itself. In a healthy brain, this process is tightly regulated. Old cells die and new cells take their place in perfect harmony. But sometimes a cell's genetic blueprint goes awry. It begins to multiply uncontrollably, ignoring the signals to stop. This cluster of abnormal cells multiplying out of control forms a mass. This mass, called a tumor, can press against the delicate brain tissue. As it grows, it disrupts the brain's intricate communication network, impacting the very essence of who we are. This uncontrolled growth, a rebellion within the body's own ranks, is what makes brain tumors so dangerous. They are a stark reminder of the fragility of life and the constant battle within our own cells. The question of why tumors form is a complex puzzle. Scientists are working tirelessly to understand the intricate mechanisms that trigger this uncontrolled cell growth. While the exact causes remain elusive, several factors contribute to the development of brain tumors. One key piece of the puzzle lies in our genes, the blueprint of life inherited from our parents. Sometimes we inherit faulty genes that make us more susceptible to developing tumors. These genes can disrupt the normal cell cycle, leading to uncontrolled growth. Environmental factors also play a significant role. Exposure to radiation, certain chemicals, and even some viruses can damage our DNA, increasing the risk of mutations that lead to cancer. Understanding these risk factors is crucial for prevention and early detection. Imagine a bustling city with its intricate network of roads and buildings. Now picture a construction project gone wrong, a growing mass disrupting the city's flow. This is akin to what happens inside the brain when a tumor grows. The brain relies on a delicate balance of pressure and space for its intricate functions. As a tumor grows, it takes up space within the skull, increasing pressure on the surrounding brain tissue. This pressure can compress and damage healthy cells, disrupting their vital functions. Furthermore, tumors can interfere with the brain's blood supply. They can compress blood vessels, reducing blood flow to certain areas. This deprivation of oxygen and nutrients can starve brain cells, leading to further damage and dysfunction. Section 5. When the conductor falters, tumor impact on brain functions. Each region of the brain has a specific role to play, much like sections in an orchestra. The frontal lobe, our conductor, governs our personality, decision-making, and higher-level thinking. The parietal lobe processes sensory information, allowing us to perceive touch, temperature, and pain. The temporal lobe houses our memory and language centers. And the occipital lobe processes visual information, painting the world around us with color and light. When a tumor grows in a specific area, it disrupts the function of that region. A tumor in the frontal lobe might lead to personality changes, difficulty concentrating, or impaired judgment. One in the parietal lobe might cause numbness, tingling, or difficulty with spatial awareness. Tumors in the temporal lobe can affect memory, language, and comprehension, and those in the occipital lobe can impair vision, causing blurred vision, hallucinations, or even blindness. The location and size of the tumor dictate the specific symptoms a person experiences. Brain tumors are a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of our brain and body, how damage to one part can ripple through our entire being. Section 6. The stages of a silent invader, benign to malignant. Not all brain tumors are created equal. They are classified into different grades, ranging from benign to malignant, based on their growth rate and how likely they are to spread. Benign tumors are like well-behaved guests. They grow slowly and are confined to a specific area, often surrounded by a clear boundary. These tumors are less likely to spread to other parts of the brain or body. Malignant tumors, however, are more aggressive invaders. They grow rapidly, invading surrounding tissue like weeds taking root. These tumors can shed cells that travel through the bloodstream or lymphatic system, forming new tumors in other parts of the brain or body. This process, called metastasis, makes malignant brain tumors particularly challenging to treat. Section 7. Shining a light on the shadow detecting brain tumors. Detecting brain tumors early is crucial for effective treatment. Unfortunately, these silent invaders often grow unnoticed, their symptoms mistaken for other conditions. Headaches, seizures, vision changes, personality shifts. These can all be signs of a brain tumor. But they can also indicate other health issues. Therefore, doctors rely on a combination of methods to diagnose brain tumors accurately. Neurological exams assess brain function, checking reflexes, coordination, and cognitive abilities. Imaging techniques, such as MRI and CT scans, provide detailed pictures of the brain, revealing the location and size of any tumors. In some cases, a biopsy may be necessary to confirm the diagnosis and determine the tumor type. This involves surgically removing a small sample of the tumor for examination under a microscope. While this procedure carries some risks, it provides invaluable information to guide treatment decisions. Section 8. Facing the challenge, treatment, and advancements. Treating brain tumors is a complex endeavor, often requiring a multidisciplinary approach. The specific treatment plan depends on factors such as the tumor's type, location, size, and the patient's overall health. Surgery is often the first line of defense, aiming to remove as much of the tumor as possible without damaging surrounding brain tissue. Radiation therapy uses high-energy rays to kill tumor cells or stop their growth. Chemotherapy involves using drugs to kill cancer cells, either alone or in combination with other treatments. Advancements in medical technology are constantly improving treatment options. Targeted therapies, for example, use drugs that specifically target cancer cells, minimizing damage to healthy cells. Immunotherapy helps the body's own immune system recognize and attack cancer cells more effectively. Section 9. A beacon of hope, the future of brain tumor research. While the diagnosis of a brain tumor can be daunting, it is essential to remember that progress is constantly being made in the fight against this disease. Researchers around the world are working tirelessly to unravel the mysteries of brain tumors, seeking new ways to prevent, detect, and treat them. Gene therapy holds promise for correcting faulty genes that contribute to tumor development. Nanotechnology offers innovative ways to deliver drugs directly to cancer cells, increasing their effectiveness and minimizing side effects. And immunotherapy continues to evolve, boosting the body's natural defenses against cancer. The road to a cure for brain tumors is long and challenging, but it is a journey fueled by hope, innovation, and the unwavering dedication of scientists and clinicians worldwide. With every breakthrough, we move closer to a future where brain tumors are no longer a threat to human health and well-being.